If you're a real estate investor, then it's likely one of your main goals is to make money. A lot of it. Unfortunately, too many investors come up against roadblocks that prevent them from making the kind of money they dream of, which means they can't live the life they dream of. So let's talk about 3 things you can do right now to triple your cash flow. Number 1, boost your credit score. Maybe you've heard this before, maybe you haven't, but it bears repeating again and again. Your credit score matters a lot. The products you have access to and the rates you pay all stem from your credit score, which means your score can cost you thousands of dollars if it's not high enough. It can also cost you the loan you need. We're not talking about a 50-point difference. We're talking about a single point. Just one. For example, a score of 680 will get you a conforming loan, but a score of 679 won't. That's just one single point. So what can you do to start boosting your credit score? Well, here are a few tips. Go private. Credit scores are based heavily on credit usage. The lower your credit card reported balance, the higher your score will rise. But we know it's tough for an investor to go cold turkey with their credit card and still keep projects moving along. So try this instead. During the period before your card statement cycle, borrow funds from a friend or a family member. Then use those funds during the 60 to 90 days of your loan approval. With your credit cards at 0 or at a low balance, your scores will go up. Just don't close your credit cards. That will only hurt your score. Also, make sure your lender knows about the private loan and the payment due. If you don't report it, it's loan fraud, and we don't want you to go to jail. Get authorized. How long you've had a good account open also helps boost your credit score. You can't create an account with history out of thin air. Or can you? Really, all you have to do is ask a friend or a family member to add you to their well-established account. Just make sure their accounts have small amounts and not large payments, because it will be used against your debt on your loan. Pay extra. A large part of your credit score is based on your monthly reported balances to the credit bureaus. If you can keep the reported balances lower, then your credit score will go up. So find cash to pay down extra on your card before your next statement date. This will keep your reported amount owed to amount available down. That means your credit score will go up during that cycle. Another way to triple your cash flow is to buy under-market properties. You can do what most people do and find a full-price property on the MLS. Or you can connect with a wholesaler and take advantage of under-market properties, otherwise known as discounted properties. Number 3, get out of those hard money loans. If you buy a property through a wholesaler, or if you can't obtain a traditional loan through a bank quite yet, then chances are you'll need a hard money loan. And yes, hard money loans are expensive. So you do not want to get stuck in one too long. But maybe you are stuck in a hard money loan right now. Well, fear not. You can still boost your cash flow and get out. There are options for everyone. That includes investors who haven't been self-employed for more than 2 years, like to write everything off on their taxes, or haven't owned a property for more than a year. These are just 3 ways you can triple your cash flow. There are lots of strategies out there, and we can help you find the right one for you. Hard Money Mike isn't just the place to start investing in real estate. It's the place to start living your dreams.